Okay, a little disclaimer before I get into my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm really angry in this video because Boxycharm f***ed up my box and didn't send me my choice item that I was really looking forward to. So I'm just giving you guys a little disclaimer now. Obviously, it's not the end of the world that I didn't get the correct item. It's obviously not that big of a deal, but I'm really mad about it because it was the only reason that I didn't cancel in July was because the choice item for August was so amazing. I was really looking forward to the Purelisse foundation. It's a completely different one than the one that I currently have been using for the last 8 months. So it was something I was really looking forward to, and they sent me the wrong item. I've contacted customer service already, but it's very unlikely that they're gonna do anything about it because they did send me the right amount of products. They just didn't send me the correct product. So it's very unlikely that they're actually gonna do anything about it. So if they don't do anything about it, I'm going to cancel because I'm really disappointed with Boxycharm, and they have been letting me down for months now, as you guys know from all of my videos in the past of me ranting about how shitty Boxycharm has been lately. So just a little disclaimer, yes, it's not the end of the world, but it is kind of funny how angry I am in this video. So disclaimer, warning, a lot of swearing. Guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are doing August 2021 Boxycharm unboxing. So this is the base box for Boxycharm. So it did arrive, I think it was like 2 days ago it arrived. I was really excited to open it. I have not opened it yet because I wanted to be surprised. I have no idea what's coming in this box other than the one item that I got to choose myself, which was a foundation from Purelisse. So that is the main reason I did not cancel Boxycharm yet, because I was really excited to try this foundation from Purelisse. I do have the, what is the one that I use currently? I use the Perfect Glow BB cream from Purelisse, and they sent out a different one. So I was really excited for the fact that there is another Purelisse foundation we are getting in Boxycharm, because this is my absolute favorite holy grail foundation. So I'm really excited to try the other one. So without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. This is what it looks like this month. So we got the little card that's on top. It says, "Go all out." So it has all of the prices and all of the items that we got. So when I open the box, let's see. Did they not give me my foundation? Oh my God. Are you kidding me? They didn't give me my fucking foundation. That was the item that I got to choose. They didn't give it to me. I'm really disappointed. Holy shit. What the fuck, Boxycharm? They didn't give me my foundation. Oh my God. So I just had to contact Boxycharm because they didn't send me my fucking choice item. I'm really fucking mad. I've seen a lot of people online in like the Boxycharm groups on Facebook and stuff talking about how a lot of times they'll choose an item and then they won't get item that they chose. Like, what's the point of having a choice item if they're not gonna even send you the item that you chose? Like, I did not want a fucking bronzer. I don't need a bronzer. I have a million bronzers. I wanted the Purelisse foundation. That was the only reason I didn't cancel my box last month, because the last month's box was so fucking shitty. I'm so angry. Like, I am so tired of Boxycharm fucking everybody over. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be my last box. Next box is the Luxe Box. The choice items was the Rare Beauty, the eyeshadow palettes. I'm not into the eyeshadow palettes from Rare Beauty. I don't really like the color story of them. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cancel because I don't wanna waste $80 on products that I'm not even gonna like. So I'm really mad. So I'm gonna go through my box. I'm really disappointed with it already. There's no fucking makeup in it at all besides the bronzer that I didn't fucking want. So I'm incredibly angry. The first item I see is from the brand Clean Skin Club. So this is a clearing mist. Salicylic alpha, hydroxy, beta, hydroxy acids, and eucalyptus oil are combined to combat impurities and pollutants. This powerful yet lightweight formula effectively reduces acne and breakouts without drying the skin. Mist onto clean skin after cleansing and before serum, and it retails for $38. Looks like this. It's a clean skin club, and it's a mist that's supposed to help with acne. My skin is pretty clear, so I don't necessarily need this. This is a really nice bottle though. The bottle is really nice. It's glass. It's kind of like a frosted glass bottle. It's really, really heavy and it looks nice. But that's $38. I'll definitely try that out, but again, not something I needed. The next item is from the brand Kate Somersfield. This is a moisturizer. Looks like this. You know how many freaking moisturizers I have in my drawer right now currently? Didn't need another one. This is Kate Somersfield Revive Dull, Dry, Lackluster Looking Skin with Kate's Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. It retails for $70. I wouldn't pay fucking $70 for a moisturizer. That's insane. That's way overpriced. You could probably get this on the pop-up for like $5 right now. So I'm already not impressed with Boxycharm. They send out all of these items where they're like, oh, there's $70 worth of product and you can go in the pop-up and you can get it for $5. So really, is it worth $70 or is it worth $5? This is not gonna be a positive video at all because I'm really pissed off. It has a little happy face on it, which I am currently not, so that's kind of funny. The moisturizer is kind of a mint color. It smells like mint. It kind of smells like eucalyptus. It has a nice smell to it. I'll definitely give this a try, but I would not pay $70 for a moisturizer. That is not something that I'm interested in doing at all. The next item is, I don't know what this is. This is a Be Fearless and Look Fabulous Jessica Black Play Pots. What's a play pot? Never heard of this before. The packaging is kind of cute. Let's see if I can open it without wrecking it. Probably not. Oh, I did. Okay, this is a Gold Touch Shimmer Finish. So they sent me a highlighter that I'll never use. It is literally like yellow gold. I absolutely don't need this color. This color is not going to work for my skin tone. My skin tone is kind of a yellow undertone, but I'm very fair. This would not work for me. I go for like white or like duochrome highlight. You can see the highlight that I'm currently wearing is the Moon Cruiser highlight. So this is the type of highlight that I go for. I go for usually like white highlights with a shift. So I like this one because it's like a really frosted highlight with like a pink and blue shift, and it looks like this on my hand. That's the type of highlight that I go for. Our cream pigments that can be used on the eyes, lips, and cheeks. Cream pigments, these super easy to effortlessly blend out while still offering you a high impact pigment with a vegan and cruelty-free formula. So you can use it on your eyes, which is kind of interesting. I just don't really like the color. The color is not something that I would gravitate to. So I think I'm gonna pass this along. You can use this on your cheekbones for like a highlight. You can use it on your eyes. It's a shimmer type of formula, but I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to give it away. Here is the choice item that I did not fucking choose. It is a bronzer. really mad about this. I don't need a bronzer. I have so many bronzers in my collection. Whenever I see a bronzer that I like, I just pick it up because it's a bronzer. Like the one that I've been using for the last 10 years, the NYX Contour and Sculpting Palette. This is what I've been using for like literally 10 years. They have like refillable pots, so once you run out of one, you can just take it out and refill it, so you don't have to keep rebuying the same product over and over. Like you don't have to buy the full package. So this is what I've been using. It works really well for me, and I didn't need a bronzer. So you guys can tell I'm really mad. So this is what the bronzer looks like. It's a bronzer, nothing special. It honestly just probably won't even use it. I'll probably give it away because I don't need another bronzer. I already have bronzers in my collection that I already currently haven't used. It is a really nice packaging. I do like Iconic London. So this retails for $35. This is an ultimate bronzing powder. It's perfect for creating an all-over sun-kissed warmth or to define and sculpt the face with a natural matte finish. You can fake a just stepped off the beach bronze look all year round. The silky powder sits comfortably on the skin, skimming effortlessly over pores and fine lines for the ultimate flawless finish, and it retails for $35. Again, don't need it, didn't want it, didn't choose it, not happy. And the last item, are you fucking kidding me? They sent us sheet masks. That is unreal. The other item, the last item, is sheet masks. Do you know how many sheet masks I have in my drawer? Oh my God. So Nourish is a natural probiotic and adaptogenic sheet mask made with multiple peptides and flower extracts such as cherry blossoms, hibiscus, and orange blossoms to nourish and repair the skin. Glow is a natural probiotic and adaptogenic sheet mask made with vitamin C, niacinamide, I don't know if I'm saying that right, and a super berry complex that includes raspberry, blackberry, goji berries, and mulberry to brighten and improve uneven skin tones, and it retails for $18. I don't need that. I definitely didn't want that, and I'm really, 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 really unimpressed with this box. We got 2 makeup items, one of which I will not use because it's not the right color for a highlight for me. It also just isn't something that I'm going to use on my lids because it's not a color that I really like. The bronzer I didn't choose, I didn't want. Really, really looking forward to the foundation that I chose, and the only reason I did not cancel Boxycharm. I canceled FabFitFun last winter because it started to go downhill. Boxycharm has been going downhill for quite some time now. We're not even getting fucking eyeshadow palettes anymore, so there's that. Like, that was one of the main reasons that I stayed with Boxycharm for so long, is because we got so many eyeshadow palettes, and it was really, really awesome that I could try out all of these different brands, and I was constantly getting eyeshadow palettes to play with, and now there's no point. I'm in Canada, so I'm spending about $40 every single month for products that I don't need. Of course, I'm getting well over what I'm paying for in products. So this box was worth $182.50. So I'm only spending $40 and I'm getting $180 worth of products, but I would rather go out and spend the $40 on the 1 item or 2 items that I actually want and will actually use, rather than getting a crap ton of items that are just gonna sit in my drawer and expire. Like, I have one of those organizers from Walmart. It's like one of those plastic 3-drawer organizers, and they are full of products from Boxycharm that I have not even opened or used because they keep sending skincare that I don't need. And when it comes to skincare, I need to actually use it for a couple of months to test it out to make sure that it's actually working for my skin. And they keep sending all of these freaking moisturizers and serums every single month, and by the time that I get to use them, they're fucking expired. So honestly, I'm done with Boxycharm. If I run out of products or I need products again, maybe I will sign up with them again in the future if they get better. But ever since Ipsy took over Boxycharm and bought them out, they have been shit. They are not a makeup subscription anymore. They are a skincare subscription. And honestly, that's just not what I signed up for. I want a makeup subscription box with maybe 1 item that is skincare related. I want my box to be mostly makeup items. I'm not getting that anymore. So honestly, I'm done with Boxycharm. I contacted them and asked them why I didn't get my choice item, why I was sent something that I didn't fucking choose, but I highly doubt they're gonna do anything about that because they did send me the correct amount of items. They just didn't send me the right item. So I'm done with Boxycharm. I'm sorry this video was so angry, but honestly, I'm so pissed off about this. Like, if that wasn't the only reason that I did not cancel last month, if it wasn't the only fucking reason why I kept this subscription, I wouldn't be that angry. I would be like, oh, okay, whatever, I got a bronzer instead of my choice item, not a big deal. But it's literally the only fucking reason. I was so looking forward to the Pure Release foundation because it is my favorite foundation. And of course I can go and buy it myself. Of course I can. It's not the end of the fucking world, but it is the only reason that I didn't cancel in July. I'm mad. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. I'm gonna go freaking yell into a pillow. I'm so sad. See you guys next time. So the first item that I see in here, my wig is getting all over the place because I'm moving my head too much because I'm freaking mad. Okay, clearing mist? What the fuck's a clearing mist?